So today, I'd like to talk to you about the tucking of the tailbone under versus the lifting of the pit of the abdomen and why this is important. So I've been hearing this so much. I've been training yoga teachers and they come from different systems and they're telling me, I was told to tuck my tailbone under. And so I'm thinking like, what is actually happening when we do that? So the right action to actually make the spine longer is to lift the bottom of the belly. Because when you lift the bottom of the belly, you create space in your spine. Versus if you're tucking your tailbone under, you're actually shrinking. And I didn't come up with that. There is proof of it. If you're just going to continue watching, look at the model. I will place a pad on her head. And the moment she tucks her tailbone under, she shrinks down. And the moment she's going to lift her belly, she's growing and everything becomes longer. So really make sure that you learn how to lift the bottom of the belly in order to keep your lower back happy. Low back pain is too much out there. And with that action in our core, we actually can prevent a lot of future problems. So now I'm going to show you how you can experiment this yourself, the difference between tucking your tailbone under or lifting the bottom of the belly. So I'm going to place this soft pad right horizontal on top of her head. I hold it there. And now I'm going to tell my model, tuck your sitting bones under. So as she tucks her tailbone under, I'm not feeling her head anymore. She actually moved down slightly, but she moved down. That means something's shrinking. So now release this one. And now lift the bottom of your belly. And as she lifts the bottom of the belly, she starts to push up into the pad. I can feel it. Now she starts to grow. She presses against it. And that means her back is becoming longer. And we always look for space and length in the spine.